I received your owl. Thank you.
I'm glad you came. I spotted droves of Ranrock's loyalists coming up from the coast. How are they still one step ahead of us?
I don't know. She was unnerved by Isadora's use of ancient...
These keepers are playing...
It doesn't work like that. They're showing me the memories.
Oh, either they don't...
Of course I can...
Fine,
We don't have a choice. Now.
Let's go, quickly, before we're spotted. Keep a close eye out. I saw some of Ranrock's...
I wonder why.
Raiding, I imagine. This mountain used to safeguard local hamlet valuables. But it's been abandoned ever since Ranrock took hold of the coast.
Nothing over here.
Wait.
One.
Accio!
How childish!
Leviosa!
Who do you think?
Depulso! Revelio!
I won't rest until you're...
Accio!
All of Ranrock's loyalists deserve the same
Revelio.
fate. Nice work. Thestrals overhead. Some consider them a bad omen.
Not everyone does.
I know that.
All right.
I'm making small talk. I'm not going to trek up this mountain in silence.
Revelio! Accio! Revelio!
I bet the Thestral nest's close by.
Incendio! Accio! I'm sorry we can both see Thestrals.
It's certainly not something I'd hoped we'd have in common.
Kill any who trespass.
Wait! We should have some sort of plan.
I'm through planning.
When are you going to give up? Impressed? Not your best. Life suffering, do you? If only one run
Accio!
You're making this too easy. How nice.
Accio! Incendio!
Why are you coming back this way?
Incendio!
You won't get away with it. And utterly
Glacier! Confringo! Expelliarmus!
You don't believe you can defeat
Bombarder.
That should have been your death.
In selection.
Fringo!
Bombarder. Bombarder. Defender.
They got what they deserve.
Revelio. What were you thinking?
I was thinking about dead goblins. But I didn't. Looks like Ranrock's loyalists were heading further up the path.
Let's keep going. Incendio.
Ranrock's gonna make everyone pay. Anything made from goblin silver belongs to us. Whether it's a sword or a repository, whatever that is.
Did you hear that, Goblin?
Ridiculous notions of ownership.
Someone's here. I won't rest.
Revelio.
The same fate. Nice work.
I agree. Only good wizard's a dead wizard. Ranrock's got that right.
Accio. Glacis. Confringo. Expelliarmus.
That was meant for me.
Why have you not run away? Intend to die.
Glacis. Confringo. Expelliarmus.
That's better.
This must be it.
Sebastian, wait.
Wait. For what? Why are you suddenly so cautious?
Listen to me. I know you're angry and Lord Gok said, stop it. That's enough.
I thought we wanted...
We do. Listen to me. He told me that Ranrock somehow knows. That's why they always...
Fine. Fine. I do trust...
Good. We have our work cut out.
Agreed.
Revelio.
Patrolling this area. What's that? I shall have been.
Revelio. So far, so good.
Charming. Spy.
Revelio.
How fitting. Almost as good as if I'd done it myself.
Bingo! Levioso! Levioso! Imperio! Accio! Incendio! Bombarda! Defendo! Accio! Incendio! Glacius! Confringo! Depulso! Glacius! Confringo! Expelliarmus! Accio! Incendio! Bombarda!
We've rid the world of another spider. I shall sleep better tonight.
Revenge! These spiders are determined to make a meal of us.
I'm sure we taste better than a goblin, you know?
Incendio! Revelio! Bombarda! Incendio! One nudge and that chest might have fallen.
Oh, I think 3 nudges at least.
Revelio! Bindo! Accio! Incendio! Bombarda! Incendio! A staircase leading here. Whatever for?
I don't think anyone's been here for ages.
Incendio! Revelio! Bindo! Accio! Cabolso!
Look at this place. Not really my style. A bit much if you ask me.
Glacius! Confringo! Expelliarmus! Confringo! Glacius! Confringo! Expelliarmus! Imperio! Crucio! Glacius! Confringo! Expelliarmus! Levioso! Accio! Bombarda! Levioso! Glacius! Confringo! Expelliarmus! Bombarda! Getting through the cavern can't have been the only challenge. Perhaps we should search for runes.
Is finding these chests luck or instinct? We've seen
Revelio.
runes like these before.
Revelio. Accio. Incendio. Accio.
Can't get out of here quick enough.
Revelio. Sebastian, a journal entry. We should look for more.
Why couldn't she have kept all her journal entries in one place?
Troll! Glacius! Confringo! Expelliarmus! Bombarda! Incendio! Defender! Bombarda! Defender! Incendio! Glacius! Confringo! Expelliarmus! Protego! Glacius! Confringo! Expelliarmus! Crucial! Bombarda! Defender! Glacius! Confringo! Expelliarmus! Glacius! Confringo! Expelliarmus! Protego! Stupefy! Glacius! Confringo! Expelliarmus! Bombarda! Incendio! Defender!
Nice teamwork.
Nothing like an angry troll to bring friends together. Reparo.
That was a piece of work.
More than one. Incendio. Revelio. A journal entry. Is it being noticed here? Wingardium Leviosa. Revelio.
Stairs. You. Well worth it. Another barrier.
Gone through.
Revelio. This journal entry sounds worrisome.
Bombarda! Dead ends. Must be another...
Incendio.
Almost as good as if I'd done it myself.
Revelio. This place can't have belonged to only Isadora.
But the triptych pointed us here. Another rune symbol. Feel as if I should be fluent in runic language by now.
Depulso. Revelio. Accio.
Could this be another area?
Revelio. Isadora must have honed her skill with ancient magic here. I know from the memories I've seen that the Keepers and Isadora didn't see eye to eye on the use of ancient magic.
I wish you could see one of her memories.
The final canvas piece to the triptych. We've done it.
Isadora should not have had to keep all this secret.
I know from the memories I've seen that the Keepers and Isadora didn't see eye to eye on the use of ancient magic. But I don't understand why she seems to have gone to such great lengths to tell her story without their knowledge.
I wish you could see one of her memories.
So do I.
Perhaps completing the triptych will shed more light on all of this.
Revelio.
I cannot believe the journey this triptych took us on.
This is it.
Don't keep me in suspense. Go on, place it.
Huh. Another pensive.
This is what we've been chasing.
I wonder.
What is it?
Let's find out.
I cannot bring my brother back, Father. But I can give you peace. Please, have a seat.
Isadora, we are all most intrigued to hear.
We're ready. I've something to show you. Father, these are my colleagues from Hogwarts. Father hasn't spoken since my brother died. On my travels, I confirmed that which I've always believed. That we have the power to take away pain.
Isadora. What have you done?
I took his pain.
Thank you.
That worked.
It did indeed.
Of course it did. It's goblin silver.
I need something much bigger.
All right. It would help if you could tell me more about what it is you're storing.
Magic. Left over from a spell I devised to remove pain, but if used correctly, its power can be used to do even more good.
Why would you want to store such magic away?
I only need to keep it safe until I can convince my colleagues of its worth. Magic like this unnerves some.
Not everyone's ready to wield such power.
Perhaps not. Someone will be.
She took away the pain. I knew it. I knew there was a way to help Anne.
Something isn't right, Sebastian.
What do you mean? You saw what she did.
No, not the memories, the portrait. I think the reason Isadora hasn't appeared is because she can't.
I don't follow.
We have seen that view before. The abandoned home in Felcroft, the destroyed painting. It was her.
So someone destroyed a bit of enchanted canvas, but we found the memory.
Yes, you're right.
We saw what she wanted us to see. We saw what she could do, what you can do.
But I don't know how to do what Isadora did.
Well, then you shall learn. The Keepers can teach you.
I'm not sure that they would. The Keepers believe that removing someone's ability to feel pain, it's a highly complicated, unpredictable form of magic. One that should be wielded with great care. If at all.
If at all? You've overcome all of their challenges. You've more than proven yourself. You can wield it. You have the ability. Please, talk to the Keepers. If not for me, then for Anne.
Why did the Keepers want to keep Isadora quiet? Why destroy her portrait?